These are the spiritual teachings of Al-Hashalom, blessed be his name, who came as a witness to bear witness to the light, so that through him everyone might believe.
The true communion is the emergence of enlightenment and the merging of the small mind of one's self into the big mind of the cosmic consciousness. All things are a manifestation of this one mind. All actions are a manifestation of this one mind. Delusion, attachment to the ego self, violence, all these things and their subsequent effects are caused simply by self-identification. When enlightenment comes, it is the mind beholding the mind. It is then God beholding God. This short quote by Paramahansa Yogananda is a catalyst of enlightenment. If one were to understand this simple quote, you would achieve enlightenment in this life. This quote by Paramahansa Yogananda is the catalyst of the concept of quantum philosophy and quantum metaphysics, which has given birth to a new model of how our consciousness interacts with the physical world we experience. What is awareness? There are many concepts and more misconceptions of this word. If one is to take out a dictionary to examine the word and its meaning, you discover a list of words such as alertness, wakefulness, attentiveness, which are superficial ideas that correspond to a general concept of awareness. This is not awareness. Awareness is more than an idea. Awareness is a domain of consciousness. This is a conscious state of being within Big Mind. All of the concepts within this philosophy, this is the most important. To be aware within true reality is the height of existence. Awareness of your existence within Big Mind is to experience true reality. Awareness is the most important. Awareness in our teaching is not focused on the breath or simply stilling the mind. There are many yogis who teach a rudimentary concept of awareness. They are called yogis, yet they do not know or teach true awareness. It is as if they opened the dictionary and recited the words that touch on general concepts without understanding the true nature of awareness themselves. Yet they teach others a misguided and uninspired version of awareness. These are called the awakened yogi and the enigmatic mystic. Yet they mumble gibberish about awareness. They are called Swami. They are called masters. They do not teach awareness. Being present has nothing to do with awareness. Awareness is not an absence of thought. Awareness has nothing to do with what spiritual level you are on in your life. Awareness is not wakefulness. Awareness is not simply being attentive. Awareness has nothing to do with your life energies. Awareness does not mean being pure, clean, calm, and peaceful. These are some of the rudimentary concepts being taught by yogis about what awareness is. This is troubling. These are enlightened and venerated teachers who did not understand true awareness themselves. These teachers are well known and some lavishly wealthy, charging each participant thousands of dollars for their seminars. They seem to understand money but not awareness. Awareness in our teaching is the perceiving that you exist within the very consciousness of Big Mind. Knowing you exist within the consciousness of God itself. All things are constructs of this Big Mind. That is awareness. The divine light of Big Mind is all things. We experience our existence through our senses. Beyond our senses, our minds work in tandem within Big Mind. This interaction of creation is a process through which we call the creative flux. The creative flux is always at work, whether we are aware of it or not. Understanding the creative flux is a part of awareness. The creative flux is the mechanism of connection, interaction, and creation within Big Mind. The creative flux is not awareness. The words you hear, the chair you are sitting in, the floor under your feet, the ceiling above your head, the air that you breathe. This is all Big Mind in various forms. Our choices, the choices of those around us, our karma, create our surroundings. These things can change. The external world is easily changeable. Big Mind is the creative, dynamic force beyond our mundane awareness, beyond our senses. So to have awareness is to perceive God in all things, all experience. This is true awareness.
Whosoever can receive and retain this teaching, study it, recite it, and spread it abroad will be clearly perceived and recognized by the Supreme Being and will achieve a perfection of merit beyond all measurement and calculation. A perfection of merit which is unlimited and inconceivable. For in every place where this discourse is to be found, the whole realms of gods, men, and titans should offer worship, Such a place is sanctified like a shrine.